This is the Roccat Kone Pro, and on paper, it sounds almost too good to be true. An ultralight gaming mouse that promises pro-level speed without sacrificing comfort. But here's the thing, most lightweight mice feel amazing for esports and terrible for everyday use. So after using this as my daily mouse for gaming, editing, and work, I discovered something Roccat doesn't really advertise, and it might actually be the reason you should buy it. Roccat Kone Pro Product Overview. The Roccat Kone Pro is a lightweight wired gaming mouse from Roccat, released in mid-2021 as part of the company's push into competitive esports. It's designed primarily for FPS players and competitive gamers who want speed, precision, and minimal fatigue during long sessions. Its main selling point? Roccat tried to combine two worlds that usually don't mix: ultra-lightweight performance and ergonomic comfort. At around 66 grams, it competes directly with mice like the Logitech G Pro series and Glorious Model O. But instead of a symmetrical esports shape, Roccat sticks with its classic ergonomic cone design. Roccat Kone Pro Performance. Honestly, this mouse feels ridiculously responsive. The Kone Pro uses Roccat's Owl Eye optical sensor based on Pixar's flagship tech, and tracking is basically flawless. Whether I was playing fast shooters like Valorant or doing precise timeline edits in Premiere, the cursor felt locked to my hand. There's zero noticeable acceleration, no weird jitter, and liftoff distance is low enough that repositioning feels natural. Competitive players will appreciate how predictable it feels. But what surprised me most was comfort during long sessions. Ultra-lightweight mice sometimes feel hollow or awkward after a few hours, but the Kone Pro's ergonomic curve supports your palm just enough that fatigue stays low. After full workdays plus gaming sessions, my wrist genuinely felt less strained compared to flatter mice. Clicks are another highlight. Roccat's Titan optical switches feel crisp and fast, with almost instant actuation. They're lighter than traditional mechanical clicks, which makes rapid firing easier, though it may take a day or two to adjust if you prefer heavier feedback. Features and tech. Let's talk about the features that actually matter. First, Titan optical switches. Instead of physical metal contacts, these use light-based actuation. That means faster response times and almost zero debounce delay. In real life, that translates to quicker shots registering in-game and long-term durability. Roccat rates them for tens of millions of clicks. Second, heat-treated PTFE feet. Sounds boring, but you'll notice it immediately. The mouse glides incredibly smoothly across cloth and hard pads, reducing resistance during flick shots. Third, Roccat Swarm software. You get deep customization, DPI stages, macros, RGB zones, and profile switching. The interface isn't the cleanest in the industry, but once configured, you rarely need to revisit it. And finally, IMO RGB lighting. Normally, RGB is just cosmetic, but here it's subtle and diffused under the shell, giving a premium glow without looking like a gaming carnival. Design and build. The Kone Pro uses a thin but solid plastic shell with a matte finish that feels smooth yet grippy. It doesn't attract fingerprints easily, and the structure feels surprisingly sturdy for such a light mouse, no creaking or flex during use. The ergonomic shape is the real star here. It's slightly curved for right-handed users, supporting palm and claw grips especially well. If you've ever felt cramped using flat esports mice, this design feels instantly more natural. It's lightweight without feeling fragile, and that balance is harder to achieve than it sounds. Cable and everyday use. Since this is the wired version, the cable matters, and thankfully Roccat includes a Phantom Flex cable, which is extremely flexible. In practice, it almost feels wireless when paired with a mouse bungee. Drag is minimal, and I rarely noticed resistance during gameplay. Pros. Extremely lightweight yet comfortable ergonomic shape. Fast optical switches with satisfying clicks. Smooth glide and premium feeling build quality. Cons. Wired only may turn off wireless fans. Clicks may feel too light for some users. Final verdict. So who is the Roccat Kone Pro actually for, and is it worth your money? Look, if you're a competitive FPS player who wants speed without sacrificing comfort, this is an easy recommendation. It delivers esports-level performance while still feeling like a mouse you can use for work or browsing all day. If you're coming from heavier ergonomic mice, this feels like a massive upgrade in agility. And if ultralight symmetrical mice feel uncomfortable to you, the Kone Pro might be the perfect middle ground. However, if you absolutely need wireless freedom or prefer heavier tactile clicks, you might want to consider alternatives.